Hey, YouTube Gundam here. At long last, I have finally gotten OBS and Blender and other stuff to work on my new computer. So I can finally go over this a little bit more. Let's need to select something. Okay, how about this gun? That's better. So I still got to redo a bunch of paint and stuff, but I can finally get a bit more look-see. I was able to get a look-see before. I just wasn't able to, get much of a view, detailed look with OBS. Because, yes. And I just have to remember how to use OBS. This and shit. No. There it is. Oop. Yeah, I just have to remember how to use OBS. Okay, yeah. Here's a view you don't really get to see too much of. These secondary guns around here and kind of the gravity wells and other stuff that's around, but nice engines and whoop. Oh man, I love how many point defense guns there are around the thing there. Ooh. A large amount of point defense guns. I don't pretend like there's a full amount, you know. But here we are. Here's those rocket launchers, finally. Is that a vent or are those missiles? Oh yeah, you can see some of those missiles. Ooh, I gotta get closer. I gotta relearn OBS or Blender because I haven't touched in months. So these are missiles. Yeah, those are missiles. And they even look like the VLMS thing there. That's awesome. But that's a heatsink or something. And I don't know, heatsink? I don't know. So I gotta relearn everything, and then I gotta repaint everything. Hey, look, more missiles. But yeah, this is the thing that I have, because somebody is saying, is this somebody else's ship? No, it's my ship. This is my ship. Missile cluster right here. First off, look at the size of these beam lasers, okay? Let's compare it a little better to... Look at that. These things are enormous. With a secondary gun on top. That secondary gun turret, which is literally everywhere. Oh, man. Mine. Simon Coles did an awesome job with this render, but this render belongs to me. So, missiles. So there's a missile cluster there. There's two groups of missiles there. There's thing missiles back there. Are there missiles on the rear wing or up bottom? There they are. I was looking for those. This one here and this one here. And I thought there were some. Can't see the windows, but the windows need repainting anyways. Oh, yep. I'm back here. So that's 4 up there, 2 up there, 2 there. Oh man, just These sniper barrels are long. This is the observation bridge, one of a few. So, but there's another one of those missiles. These I think will be like anti-ship or something, and some of these will be short-range anti-fighter, long-range anti-fighter. You know, different ones. But here's those rockets. Here's a few those rockets. Here we are. So they're under the sniper tower. There's these 6 right here. But the fact that there is this sniper tower there, so this one clearly cannot shoot towards the front. And even this other one would have difficulty, but most of them can easily hit towards the front. That does mean the ship has guaranteed protection to the rear, as if this wasn't any indication of that rear protection. Look at this. All these secondary guns and some point defense guns hiding here and there as well. Point defense guns we can easily say are hiding along here. It's supposed to have hundreds of them, but... Oh, there we go. Look, there we are. I don't know. Come on. That'll work. Yeah, this... How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. Right? 9. Yeah, it's 9 per. Yeah. Now I just gotta repaint windows and all because that got goofed. Here's an ion cannon. Yeah. So that's the front. That ion cannon can easily shoot forwards. I'd argue that, you know, they gotta be a little careful. So its field of fire is not, well, it is phenomenal because of its smaller size. Just gotta watch out for the corners a little. Now, these mass drivers. Yeah, cooling vents. He did what I was hoping. Don't forget these mass drivers they're supposed to be able to rotate a little. So just look at the detail he's put on this thing. Jeez, Simon. That is awesome. And there's the SVAT. Get a little closer. The SVAT's all tucked away inside of the hangar there. Oh. Oop. Oh, well, it's on the track. It's on this track. Okay. So there's a nice track up there. The flight control here. It's on this nice track that goes, and then I'll just swing it, no problem. All right. Where's our TIE Defender? But it gives you a size of scale. I mean, this is 2 scale, so... And look at all these fighter racks that are in there, plus everything else. But this thing is 2 scale. Now, the TIE Defender is not small. At the same time, it is small in comparison to the size of the hangar, which I'm gonna click. Yeah. You can see the size of the hangar there. The TIE Defender just hiding over there. And where are those torpedo tubes? Here they are. Nope. I want this one, and then, here they are. This is what I wanted to look for a long time. Those torpedo tubes. I don't know what the... click that. There we go. Here's some of those capital proton torpedo tubes I was talking about for a while. All 6 duals up front there. And, yep, yeah, 4 observation bridges. With, look at that. I didn't even see that. Look at these point defense guns up here. So yeah, you have 4 observation bridges, which will make it great for docking, and all these guns hiding up front here. There's only those 3 on the front, but can you name it on a regular Star Destroyer? Go back a little bit, I don't know, sensor, and then you got some more guns just back there. So this thing is armed, you know. Now the bottom. Oh. man. That's, nope. Yep. There's that blue glow. Oh, man. Nowhere near quite as many guns on the bottom. That's kind of the point. But I mean, there's significantly less missiles. Octuplets are, however. Speaking of missiles. Missiles! Here and here. Are there rear missiles? By chance. No. But look at that. Look how much room there is here. And yet, at the same time, you can't really go there if you're an enemy fighter. Look at these guns. Look. There we are. Just look at these. There's a couple point defense guns hiding in there. Now. Is this... no. This is that hangar. And look at that. Oh, man. So now I have to begin repainting everything again because I may or may not have reset my computer to factory default to fix the issue. So I may or may not have lost all progress before I remembered something because I made a mistake. So I got to restart. But now it'll work because I can actually record and I can upload. Oop. Where are these? He calls them all anti-fire, and yeah, that's fine. 43. Whoops. I think there's supposed to be an even number, but it says 43, so my guess is he forgot one. Meh. Whatever. Beam turrets. What? Okay. He really has all that inside. Are you serious? Well. It's this large assembly on the inside as a barbette. 2. Greeblies. Gunhouse. Turret guns. Turret mount. Seriously? I don't even know. The amount of... See, this is why I contracted him to do this. I was not going to do this. There is no way I was going to do that. Huh. Oh, he didn't label one. Okay, I was like, why are there 21? Because number 2 is not here. That's fine. No issue. I was not going to do all that. So, okay, look at this. This is where he has marked point defense guns, okay? The thing is, even those 3 on the front aren't quite marked. Or, what is this, actually? Oh, that's the base unit. No wonder. What about the top unit? No. 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 Yeah, it doesn't even have the... What's the base? He sticks some extra ones here without a base. These are just the ones that have a base. Look at them all. Sheesh. That is just... Yes. So, okay. Fat guns deploy. Ooh. He has a double. I'm going to stop breaking this stuff before I screw up. Alright, I'm going to save my progress. I'm going to get out of here. Bye-bye. But I can finally begin working on this. I'm happy.